Alright, so the bugera. I finished taking the screws out of this damn thing. And hopefully we can find something simple in here. Move this forward. The Tolex is coming out. I gotta be careful not to make it worse. Generally, I don't put these covers back in. Filthy. Okay. I usually will grab them like this, pull them out. I think I hear something rattling. It's probably not a bad idea to put a towel or something down. Lift up. That didn't sound good. Okay. There's a leaf inside of it. Outside of that, the rest of it isn't too bad looking. I don't see any obvious problems. Let's get this out of here. Put it over here. Right. No tubes are missing. There should be a date on here. $11.50. $11.43. I don't know what that would mean. They use really weird numbers. But it's probably the 43rd week of 2011. The date code says 1 space 408. So I don't know. And these are the same way in all my other bugera amps. They don't make sense. The code on the back never seems to match. Where's my vacuum? Okay. Now, out of curiosity, I was trying to make sure that if I set it down, I'm not setting it on the tubes. But it's not a bad idea to go ahead and pull these.
K2 TBH, this is the K2 QEW copy Thomas over.
I don't hear anything funny.
DK2 TBH, DK2 QEW.
Number one. You always want to grab them by the base, not the glass. Push these things here. Over the tube. I don't hear anything funny on any of these. Okay. So what we want to do is look in here. There's fuses in there. And make sure none of them are blown. And these are the kind you got to test with a meter. We bring this thing down. Caps and everything look good. You don't want to really just start touching in here. There's 480 volts in here usually. I don't really see anything absolutely obvious. It is possible they just cooked all the fucking tubes. But what I would normally do, I'll have to pull up the schematic for this particular tube since we probably can't get the schematic for this amp. And I'll test for filament voltage and all the other stuff. And plate voltage. 250 volt fuses. Yeah, I don't see anything obvious. This amp is actually a little bit more simple, I think, maybe, than some of the other ones. So if you had to, you probably could boutique wire this thing. As long as one of the power transformers isn't cooked, you're good. I would find it hard to think that all the wiring could look normal and one of the transformers be bad. So I'm looking here because we have voltage that comes in through here and it goes right to this switch right here, okay? So that's probably going to light up no matter what. And then it goes to the blue wire immediately. Blue and black wire, which goes to that very first transformer. So what we need to do is get in here and see, do we have voltage coming through here. So let me get my meter. Well, this one they can light up with the fuse out. That's another thing. This is the job for a snap-on screwdriver, okay, Mike? Well, let's just check the most stupid thing that there could be, okay? Another one of these stupid-ass fucking things. Alright, let me turn this crap down. It's driving me nuts. This is not my favorite meter to use for certain things. Just give me the damn beeper. Must be good. All right. Like, good Lord, seriously. All right. Now, should be able to check these. That one's blown. Alright, blown fuse. But why is it blown? I don't know where I'm gonna find one of these. Let's see. It looks like it's 6.3 amp. And those are 1 amp. Let me just double check that this fuse is in fact blown. Yeah, that fuse is blown. So, okay. We need to figure out too, because there could be another reason why it blew, but I don't have any other fuses like this really that I can think of, but yeah. So, I'm trying to read this fuse a little bit better. Let me see. I cannot see it. Let's see if we could use the camera to our advantage. Does not want to focus. Let me try the other camera. This one's more likely to get it. I'm just trying to make sure. Alright, so I'm going to put the tubes back in. Move this stuff over here. Tubes, tubes, tubes. Tubes. Oh, let's see here. On Talk Route 91. Burrito. Dr. Dragon Breath. Okay, this is tube number 2. Crappy ass ruby tubies. That's what they're called, ruby tubes. I can't even get through here. So this thing is really dirty. I was gonna wipe it down, but at this point, I could clean it later or ignore it. Come on. You get 2 out of 4. Come on. Well, that is weird. The label is wrong on the other one. I wonder if the sockets are different. They put the ruby label in a different spot. These might actually be ceramic sockets. How interesting. All right. Move all this other crap out of here. All right. Oh, come on. All right. How can your hotspot sound so good? All right, so we need I gotta flip it around. Damn it. It is quite heavy. I don't know how heavy, but not super heavy. It's just heavy enough you gotta be careful. Speaker plugged in. Both of them are off. I'd prefer to have it up in the air to see if it smokes. We're looking to see if these are glowing. And I think they are. Maybe not. Oh, well, I've still got it in standby. Okay. It doesn't seem to be doing anything. There it goes. Now, I believe it's possible to run just one tube, two tubes, I mean, not one. I bet you we blew that fuse. So we'll go ahead and take this out of here. Get the camera out of here. I have a feeling I probably blew the fuse. Because, like I said, the fuse isn't going to blow for no reason. There's a problem. That's why I don't want to just go slapping fuses into things.